Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little sparrow named Chirpy. Chirpy was a cheerful and curious bird who loved to explore the forest and make new friends. She was small in size, but had a big heart and a sharp mind. One sunny morning, Chirpy flew to the edge of the forest and saw a group of animals gathered near a tall oak tree. Curious, she fluttered closer to see what was happening. The animals were talking about a problem they couldn't solve. The wise old turtle, Grandpa Shelley, explained, "A big storm is coming in 2 days, and the river will overflow. If we don't build a strong dam, our homes will be washed away." The animals looked worried. The deer said, "But building a dam is so much work. It will take days, and we don't even know where to start." Chirpy thought for a moment and chirped, "Why don't we all work together? If everyone does their part, we can finish the dam before the storm arrives." The animals hesitated. The fox said, "But I'm too busy gathering food for my family." The rabbit added, "And I'm too small to carry big logs." Chirpy smiled and said, "Every little effort counts. If we all contribute what we can, no matter how small, we'll succeed together." Her words inspired the animals. The strong bear began carrying heavy logs. The clever beavers started stacking them to create a sturdy structure, and even the tiny ants helped by gathering mud to seal the gaps. Chirpy flew around, encouraging everyone and bringing small twigs and leaves. As the hours passed, the dam began to take shape. The animals worked tirelessly, side by side, helping one another. By the end of the second day, just as dark clouds began to gather in the sky, the dam was complete. When the storm arrived that night, rain poured heavily and the river swelled. But thanks to their teamwork and determination, the dam held strong, protecting their homes. The next morning, as the sun rose and the forest glistened with raindrops, all the animals gathered near the dam. They cheered and thanked Chirpy for her wise advice. Grandpa Shelley smiled and said, "This little sparrow reminded us of an important lesson. No matter how small or busy we are, when we work together, we can achieve great things." From that day on, Chirpy became a hero in the forest, and whenever a problem arose, the animals remembered her words and worked together as one big family. And so, Chirpy's wisdom brought happiness and unity to the forest forever. The end. Morale of the story: teamwork and cooperation can solve even the biggest challenges.